Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I want to show you how to easily clean your toilet of limescale, rust and yellow stains. We will use natural ingredients for the cleaning product, no expensive products or harsh household chemicals. This is the kind of dirt I have in my toilet, and those who have bad water, those people know for sure that this pollution is not a year old, not even 6 months old. When flushed, the residue remains on the toilet walls, causing rusty reddish streaks. Where water remains in the bowl, the residue also forms very quickly. When you don't use the toilet, all the impurities, salts, minerals and rust in the water settle on the walls, and as a result, the toilet becomes coated with a grey or reddish-brown plaque. Of course, there are store-bought products that will clean all of this, but I want to show you how to make a natural product that will not harm you or the environment, and that will work just as well and maybe even better than store-bought ones. So, take a container that you won't mind throwing away. The first ingredient is citric acid. It gently dissolves limescale and calcium deposits. We will need 2 tablespoons. The next ingredient in our mixture is salt. It enhances the action of the citric acid and acts as a mild abrasive, helping to remove plaque. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now you need to add hydrogen peroxide. It whitens, disinfects and kills bacteria perfectly. Pour 2 tablespoons into the mixture. I use 3% hydrogen peroxide. This is the cleaning solution you get. It dissolves limescale and removes rust well. So if you have rust stains in your toilet, be sure to try this. Using an old sponge or brush that you use to clean the toilet, apply the paste to the walls of the toilet and under the rim. Try to distribute the cleaning solution evenly over the entire surface, paying particular attention to areas with limescale buildup or rust stains. The next thing we need is paper towels. You can use old t-shirts, sheets and even toilet paper instead. Fill a container with the hottest water you have from your tap. Soak paper towels in it. Then cover the toilet bowl with these towels. If you simply leave the mixture on the toilet bowl walls, it will dry out within 5 minutes and stop working. Paper towels will help retain moisture, allowing the mixture to work longer and soften the plaque better. Now take a container, any kind will do, you won't have to throw it away. Pour 2 tablespoons of citric acid into it. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add a tiny bit of hot water. Stir until the salt and citric acid dissolve slightly. Pour this mixture into the toilet bowl. It will help remove plaque and any deposits from the area where the water is located. You should leave the toilet in this state for up to 1 hour. This depends on how heavy the plaque and rust are. I don't have a lot of plaque, so I will leave it for 20 minutes. I am out of time, I remove the paper towels and use them to clean under the rim. To thoroughly clean the toilet bowl under the rim, you can use the same sponge or brush you used to apply the paste. If you have rust in your toilet and want to clean it out, this method will help. However, if you leave it for half an hour and see that the rust isn't completely removed, repeat the process one more time. Vigorously scrub the inside of the toilet with a brush and it will turn white right before your eyes. If you need to clean a toilet that already has calcium deposits, citric acid will do the trick. Dissolve a 100 gram sachet in hot water and pour it down the toilet overnight. Do this 3 to 4 times in a row. Eventually the plaque and thick layer of calcium deposits will simply fall off. I always rinse the inside of the toilet rim with warm water. And then I wipe the top dry with toilet paper. Let me remind you of the stains on the toilet walls and the residue on the bottom. And here is the result. The toilet is sparkling white again, no more plaque or stains. As you can see, cleaning a toilet is very simple and easy. If you liked the result, like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in more videos.